Hello guys, today I will take you with me on a little picnic in a simple forest called Beni forest. This forest is located in the municipality of Burj Al Kifan. This forest has been transformed into a space that attracts families and children with the aim of recreation and enjoying the beautiful and calm natural scenery and atmosphere, away from the hustle and the bustle of the city. It's also a space for practicing sports for young people during evening times and weekends. It contains also a playing spaces for children and others for practicing some sports activities, as well as a football field. If you have any suggestions for places to visit, just write them down in the comments. One last thing, please clean your places before leaving the forest. Don't leave your dirt behind you.